Good morning, everyone. Let's get through our brief for today. Firstly, a quick update on the new electronic charting system. There have been a few teething issues, particularly with medication reconciliation, but the IT team is working on hotfixes. Remember to double-check entries manually for now. We also need to reinforce hand hygiene compliance. Audits show a slight dip in adherence rates, especially during peak hours. On another note, patient satisfaction scores from last month's survey were excellent for communication, which is fantastic, so keep up the great work there. However, we've had a recurring feedback theme regarding delays in discharge summaries reaching primary care. This isn't just about efficiency, it impacts patient continuity of care and follow-up appointments. This issue with discharge documentation is becoming a bottleneck and requires our immediate collective attention to streamline the process.
Yes, Mihira, I've noticed a few times where I've been chasing doctors for signatures, which adds to the delay.
And sometimes the administrative staff are swamped, which also slows things down at their end.
Exactly. It's a multifaceted problem, but it's crucial we resolve it. Our reputation hinges on it. We'll be reviewing the workflow, and I'll be reaching out to medical records and the physician's offices to find a systemic solution.
MIHIRA, stress can have a profound impact on our bodies, even in ways we don't always expect. When we're under stress, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which are meant to help us cope in the short term. However, if stress continues for too long, these hormones can suppress your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off the virus that causes cold sores. This connection between stress and your cold sore means that alongside any medical treatment, managing stress could be a key part of improving your symptoms and preventing future outbreaks. Some effective ways to reduce stress include practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Regular physical activity, even something as simple as a daily walk, can also help release feel-good hormones and ease tension. Additionally, getting enough rest is crucial. Aim for a consistent sleep routine to give your body the chance to recover and heal. How does that sound to you so far?